Welcome to Digital Decoder. In today's video, we're diving into a fun and creative way to make money online using Canva, the go-to design tool for beginners and experts alike. Whether you're just starting out or looking to turn your creativity into profit, this guide will walk you through everything you need to know about using Canva to generate income. So let's get started. What is Canva? Let's start with the basics. Canva is an online graphic design tool that allows anyone to create stunning visuals, even if you have zero design experience. With Canva, you can create anything from social media posts, logos, and presentations to resumes, ebooks, and even t-shirt designs. The best part? Canva offers both free and premium options. The free version comes with thousands of templates, fonts, and images. But if you want to unlock advanced tools like premium templates, animations, and brand kits, you can upgrade to Canva Pro. Trust me, the Pro version is worth every penny if you plan to make money through design. Ways to make money using Canva. Now that you know what Canva is, let's talk about the exciting part, how you can turn your designs into income. Here are some of the best ways to make money using Canva. 1. Freelancing on design platforms. Freelancing is one of the most popular ways to earn using Canva. Platforms like Fiverr, Upwork, and Freelancer are filled with clients looking for graphic designers to create content such as social media posts, flyers, and YouTube thumbnails. For example, let's say a small business owner needs a Facebook ad graphic. They can hire you to create an eye-catching design on Canva, and you can charge anywhere from $10 to $50 for a single project. As you gain experience and build your portfolio, you can start charging higher rates. 2. Selling digital products. Another fantastic way to earn is by creating and selling digital products. These can include social media templates, wedding invitations, printable planners, ebooks, resume templates. Platforms like Etsy, Creative Market, and even your own website are great for selling digital products. For example, you can create a bundle of Instagram templates for influencers and sell it for $20 or more. If 100 people buy it, that's $2,000. 3. Creating custom designs for businesses. Many small businesses can't afford professional graphic designers, so they turn to freelancers. You can offer your services to create logos, business cards, flyers, brochures. The demand for affordable branding is huge, especially among startups and local businesses. Canva's drag-and-drop interface makes it easy to create professional designs without expensive software. 4. Affiliate marketing for Canva. Did you know Canva has an affiliate program? If you love Canva and recommend it to others, you can earn commissions whenever someone signs up through your affiliate link. This is a great passive income stream if you already have a blog, YouTube channel, or social media following. 5. Print-on-demand designs. Another creative way to make money is by creating designs for print-on-demand platforms like Redbubble, Teespring, or Printful. You can use Canva to design t-shirts, mugs, phone cases, and more. Upload your designs, and whenever someone buys a product, you earn a commission. Tips for success. Now that you know how to make money with Canva, let's go over some tips to help you succeed. 1. Learn the basics of design. Even though Canva is easy to use, understanding the basics of design will set you apart. Focus on typography. Use fonts that complement each other. Color theory. Choose colors that are visually appealing. Alignment. Ensure your designs are balanced and professional looking. 2. Use high-quality templates. Canva offers thousands of templates, but don't rely on them too heavily. Always customize the templates to make your work unique and appealing to clients. 3. Stay updated on trends. Design trends are constantly changing. Follow popular creators, research trending styles, and incorporate these ideas into your designs. For instance, minimalism and bold typography are currently very popular. 4. Build a portfolio. If you want to land clients or sell your designs, you need a portfolio. Even if you're just starting out, create a collection of designs that showcase your skills. You can upload your portfolio to websites like Behance or Dribbble. 5. Offer free samples. If you're just starting out, offering a few free designs can help you attract your first clients. For example, create a free Instagram story template to give away on social media and use it as a way to promote your paid services. Where to sell your designs. If you're wondering where to sell your Canva creations, here are some great platforms. 1. Etsy is perfect for selling templates, invitations, and other digital products. It's beginner-friendly and has a massive audience. 2. Creative Market. This platform is ideal for selling premium design assets like social media kits, fonts, and presentation templates. Creative Market attracts professional designers and business owners. 3. Fiverr and Upwork. If you're offering custom design services, Fiverr and Upwork are excellent platforms to connect with clients. 4. Your own website. As you grow, consider creating your own website to sell your designs. This way, you don't have to pay fees to third-party platforms, and you have full control over your sales. Final thoughts. Canva is more than just a design tool. It's an opportunity to turn your creativity into a reliable source of income. Whether you're freelancing, selling templates, or promoting Canva as an affiliate, the possibilities are endless. All it takes is your time, creativity, and a willingness to learn. Thank you for watching. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the bell icon for more tips on making money online and mastering digital tools. Let me know in the comments how you plan to use Canva to start earning. I'll see you in the next video.